Jesus. Holy Jesus. This is horrible. I'm driving a 4x4, so I don't feel anything. It's no difficult for me. Nothing, just a white blanket. That's how these folks feel in this kind of weather. Driving a regular passenger car. Oh yeah, there's driving right there. There's driving. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Sorry fella, goodbye. So you don't have a 4x4. You see this guy's halfway there in the intersection? It sucks. I could just go like nothing before. Insane. Wow. The snow just started. Get worse than I do. Look at all that, look at all that. Smokes. Just take the curve here somewhere. Holy Jesus. Holy, holy. Vehicle's going sideways. Today is March the 15th, 2015, and this is Rockville, Maryland in the US. Bad winter storm. Alright, goodbye.